Right, welcome to Team of the Year. Right, it's 25k packs, that doesn't look very good. 3 rares. 15k is 7 rares. Oh, it's only 50 points more. I'm gonna buy with coins. Let's go! Wow. Skip. Oh, for God's sake, I've got Pella. Oh, I got Inform! Got Inform! Inform! Otamendi! Otamendi! Yes! Ah, he goes like, yeah, okay. Ah, I thought he was good, it's Otamendi! Ah. Yes! My first Inform this... Was it my first Inform? I can't remember. El Shaarawy. Oh, Mertens. It's not great. Oh, oh, Turan. Okay, that's 84 rated. Oh, Cuadrado and Schürrle and Isco in one pack. These packs are pretty decent, not gonna lie. Right, I have 1,500 FIFA points left. I'm gonna save them. I'm going to quick sell a load of players. Oh, for God's sake, I got Podolski. That's just really not fair. Well, that was pretty good actually. My first Inform this FIFA, and quite a few good players. So I'm pretty pleased. So thank you for watching, and look out for more because I'm running out of coins. Peace.